Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn how to memorize birthdays of our heroes and our loved ones by using number sound technique. I have already explained you the number sound technique. If it is not clear, you can listen to my podcast, that is Rediscover Myself, or you can read my book. You can invest in my book, that is Unleash Your Memory, where it has been explained quite well. In subsequent Facebook Live, I'll explain one more technique using which you can tell exactly the day of on which a particular person has born. You could have seen Mr. Scott Flansburgh. Scott Flansburgh is the human calculator, and he tells you the exact date just by asking the exact day, but just by asking the date and the year. I'll tell you exactly the same technique, and you'll also able to tell that. It needs the number sound system, and once you thoroughly understood that, this technique will be a piece of cake for you. Before starting today's lesson, I want you to go through a video. I have given you the link of that video in this Facebook Live. In that video, Mr. David Christian, who is telling the world history in 18 minutes, the total world history in 18 minutes, using stories, at a TED conference. In his video, he explains what is our percentage, how much is a percent of human beings on this, in the whole universe, but also he explains what reforms we can bring as a human being, as we are a honor of a developed mind. Many animals, a lot of animals have mind, but our mind is a developed one, and we use language to talk to each other. So that ability is something better than other animals, and what reforms we can bring using those two abilities. If we use it effectively, we'll never let the climate suffer. The problems of climate change which we are facing will not occur, or will not be that more prominent, and will not extinct like ice age animals, because they were not able to use their minds, or after a asteroid has came on Earth, the whole ice age animals has become extinct. And his video actually resonates with the my concept of understanding history first, and importance of stories in the learning process, which he tells in this video. History has stories which we can use, or the experience in our history which we can use to excel. Okay, coming back to our lesson of remembering the birthday. Every birthday has a date, a month, and a year. So we need at least 4 images to remember any birthday. If you have to remember only the day and the date and the month, then only 2 images are required. But if you need the whole date, month, and the year, then you have to use 4 images. Let us take the birthday of most popular celebrity on the earth today, that is Mr. Dwayne Johnson, The Rock, and his birthday falls on May 2nd, 1972. So by the principle of number sound technique, we will first break the whole information into small bite-sized chunks, and once we broken that information, then we'll make the images for it. So here we have his birthday on May 2, 1972. So May is the 5th month of the year. So we have to make an image for 05, that is 5th month. Then we have to make an image, or consider the image for 02, the date. Then 19, that is the century, and 72, that is the year. So we have to make 4 images. 05, 02, 19 and 72. For 05, our image is cell, S-A-L-E, cell. For 02, our image is sun, S-U-N, sun. For 19, our image is tub, T-U-B, tub. And for 72, our image is, for 72, our image is can, C-A-N, can. Okay. So, by using these 4 images, we can remember his birthday. For that, what we will do, we will make a story. And what will be our story? Our story will be, we can visualize that the rock has kept a sale of his merchandise, that is his t-shirts and whatever different merchandise he has, for a social cause in a hotel, and the name of the hotel is Sun City, and that the hotel is in California, that is Rock City, and he is giving those merchandise in exchange of a tub and can. Tub is your image for 19 and can is your image for 72. And why is exchanging that with tub and can? Because he has organized that event for a social cause, for a climate change awareness. Okay. So Rock organizing an event in a Sun City hotel, that is on 05 means he has organized a sale, 05 sale, 02 Sun City hotel, and taking tub and can will give us his birthday, that is May 2, 1972. Similarly, if we have to remember the birthday of my mentor, Mr. Jim Kwik, which falls on 29th July 1973. For that, our image could be, means July is the 6th month, 06, our image is sage. For 29, our image is knob. For 19, our image is tub, and for 73, our image is comb. So what we can think, that the boy with broken brain meets a sage, S-A-G-E, sage, and sage is in condition that he cannot stand up from his place because he is too old. So he is asking Mr. Jim Kwik, that is the boy with the broken brain, to bring some water. Means he is asking to start a knob so that the tub can be filled, so that he can drink that water later on. So we have associated our 4 images. Boy with broken brain will give us it's a remembrance for Mr. Jim Kwik. Then if I have to sage gives us the image for the month, that is 06. 29 is the knob. Tub is our image for the 19, and for 73 we have our image as a comb. So that sage is giving the boy with broken brain, that is Mr. Jim, a comb as a blessing because he has helped him. So the whole story will give us the birthday reminder of Mr. Jim Kwik. Similarly, we can do this for the famous Microsoft owner Mr. Bill Gates, whose birthday is on October 10, 1955, and our images are toes for 10, that is October, then 1955 tub and lily, and then we have October 10. Again we have the images, 2 toes and knife and tub. Okay, you can make your own story and you can remember his birthday accordingly. Okay, so go and make such stories for all the birthdays which you want to remember and never forget it again. Try to include a very specific character or some specific moment with that person, so that you can associate that moment with his birthday, with the images which you are going to make story, so that you are not going to forget it. Why specific moment or specific character? Because remember, I have told you about AIM, that is attention, interest and motivation. If you give your attention if you have interest in that information, and if you have some motivation like a specific moment or something, then you can remember it well. Okay, on this note we will stop here, and in next lesson we will have some more, learn some more interesting information and some more memory techniques to make you unforgettable. So stay tuned for the next lesson. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.